Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to our channel and welcome back to another video. So today is grocery haul day and I wanted to share with you kind of the entire process. I know I normally just share my grocery haul and then my meal plan after, but I decided this morning to kind of share with you how we plan and process. So I've started working on my grocery list of all of the things that we have to have in the house. So all of our paper products are totally out. So if you're new here, hey y'all, how y'all doing? My name is Shakima. I'm a single mom of 2 girls, 2 boys, 1 fur dog, and we just inherited a grandma. So we're doing a whole lot over here at our house. And I have a $75 weekly budget for my groceries. I also add in toiletries into my grocery budget. Like I don't have a separate category for that. So with that being said, this is my menu planner. This is my Carrie L meal planner. I don't have any of my meals in for the week yet because right now I'm just working on my grocery list. So here's my detachable grocery list. When I'm ready to go to the grocery store, I'm just going to flip this over. It's perforated and then I'll just pull that page off. So here are the things. We're not buying any meats because we are doing a freezer challenge for the month of June. But these are the things that I know that we have to have in our fridge right now in order that we would be able to have a good week. So because I'm not buying meats, I am trying to get some of my keto staples, which is almond flour. This will be the keto brown sugar or the Splenda Truvia brown sugar. Cream cheese and mozzarella cheese, those are pretty much staples. I think I missed cheddar cheese, so I put it on there. Heavy whipping cream, eggs, pecans because we like to do the praline. So these are all the things that are must-haves. So normally my budget is $75, and so I'm going to put that down here, and that includes food and toiletries. Plus, I was also gifted $25. So I'm going to say that my budget for this week is $100, which is a beautiful situation when you're trying to do keto. So that might even let me get 2 things of almond flour because we use that quite a lot, or 2 things of brown sugar because we use that quite a lot, but I'm not sure. I'm definitely getting cream cheese times 2. 1 butter is enough. We're gonna try to find squash if we can, or zucchini, and then I'm gonna try a turnip to see if we can make the turnip fries out of the Southern Keto Cookbook, because we might have a movie night here Friday night, and then we do want to do pizza, so we may have to get almond flour times 2. We'll see. That's a little bit of a pricey item. We'll see what we are able to come up with. But anywho, this is the process. We are going to take you with us to the grocery store. Okay, friends, so eggs are really inexpensive this week at Walmart, at my Walmart. So if you have a Walmart, check your eggs. 60 count is $3.83. That's 5 dozen eggs. If you have a large family, that would be a huge savings. 36 eggs is $2.32 or 3 dozen. So you get the twin pack of 18 here. And then they had the regular 12 pack or a dozen was 79 cents. So eggs are a good price this week at Walmart. So don't sleep on your Walmart. Check those prices because you could really get some good deals. So we just so happened on this cute rack back here in Walmart, and they have their Chobani flips for 91 cents. They have Nathan's hot dogs at $2.36. They have the roasted garlic with onions and herb. Chicken sausage, $2.23. Smoked turkey. They have the egg sausages at $1.72. And then they have these if I were really doing ultra shopping, I probably would buy all of these, or at least a couple of these, because that's a good amount of meat. It's almost a pound of meat for $1.50. That's a great price on meat. But we're going to keep it moving because we are on a budget, so off we go. Leaving the clearance items behind. Okay, you guys, so we are back from Walmart and Harris Teeter. Those were the two stores we went to today. Here is a look at our grocery haul. We got quite a lot of, it doesn't even look like quite a lot of things to me. It seems very small compared to the hauls that I normally do. But I did pick up some items I normally don't pick up. And then I had to get my mom a couple things. She needed some brown sugar. She wanted her own. And then she got some oatmeal, instant grits, and her lactose-free milk. So I picked up those things for $13 for her at Walmart. So the kids and I got our stuff at Walmart, and I'll share with you what we were able to pick up this week, and then I will share with you a grocery haul. So we picked up 3 of these sparkling waters at 57 cents each. We got some bacon ranch for 92. This week I picked up 2 things of almond flour. I'm going to be doing biscuits, drop biscuits, keto drop biscuits, and we'll probably do pancakes this week. So I'm going to need almond flour. Also, Alana asked if we could do chocolate chip cookies, and I'll need almond flour for that as well. The Walmart brand is the cheapest at $10.98 for 2 pounds. Of course, at Sam's, it's like $12 for 3 pounds, but Sam's is a far away from my house. Picked up the Splenda brown sugar for $4.28. Then we picked up paper items. Paper plates, toilet paper, paper towels. I had to get potassium this week, magnesium, and then we needed to get some Zantac. These were $3 a piece, or $2.74, so $3. This one was $8. And then 2 liquid magnesiums were $1 a piece. So just between 6, 14, 15, 16, that probably right here was $25 in just paper items. Plus 2 more almond flours was about $45 just for all the paper and medicines and the almond flours. So it was a bit this week just as far as extra things. Mega sours were $3.48. These crush were $1. We picked up tomato sauce, tomato paste, and green beans. We use we need tomato paste for the Southern Keto what is that? Sloppy Joes, and we didn't have them when we made them this past week, so I picked that up. Then I picked up cheeses. So queso cheese and Monterey Jack cheese. I still have not made the queso dip, but I think I'm going to make that tonight or tomorrow. Mozzarella cheese for keto bagels. Sharp cheddar cheese because we like sharp cheddar cheese. Now, I picked up this head of cauliflower because of one of my cousins shared with me a recipe for a baked cauliflower, and I think that's what we're having for dinner tonight. Moving over, I picked up a thing of bacon, which goes with the baked cauliflower, and the cheese sticks, which goes with the cauliflower. Picked up 5 dozen of eggs, a bag of pecans for pralines, real bacon, unsweetened almond milk, 2 things of spaghetti squash, 2 cream cheese, 1 butter, strawberries, heavy whipping cream, and then 2 of the clear waters, and then we got a big thing of the 40 waters. So overall at Walmart, I spent, I think, right at $100. Could be a little bit over $100 at Walmart because of all of the medicines and paper things. Then I went over to Harris Teeter, and we picked up our Lily's chocolate chips, which we did not have. We are totally out of spray, and I wanted to get the butter cooking spray, and then Halo Top was buy one get one free. And at Harris Teeter we spent $22. So we were a little over this week. That's okay. I'm just learning how to be content with where we are. It is summertime. The kids are home. I'm home all day. My mom did her own separate grocery shopping this week, so she should be able to have all of her things. She did not have to go grocery shopping individually. That was her personal choice. She wanted what she wanted to eat, because we are a keto family. Even though I am keeping her somewhat keto, she still wanted to do her separate grocery shopping, and we said okay. I did have a gift of a $25 gift card that I used at Walmart. That was a blessing for us this week. So I'm so thankful for that. And then Dad did send some money, so I'm able to recoup any additional funds that I need to for the medications. One of these, a couple of those medications are for Alana. Some are for Mom. And then, of course, we just needed those paper products with no problem. So there it is. We are a little bit over budget this week, but we were able to cover everything with the gift card. And then, like I said, Dad sent some money, so that was helpful. Now, I'm going to share with you our meal plan.